Alright, what's up you guys? So today we're going to be exploiting my girlfriend for views. She has no experience with the terminal or Vim, but we're going to be introducing it to her anyways, so that way you guys will all make fun of her and criticize all of her choices. So that way, by the end of the week, she'll realize that she never wants to be in another video again. Anyways guys, let's go ahead and get into the video.
Hey guys, Gavin wants me to tell you to please like, comment, and subscribe because he's really desperate, okay?
Alright, so as you've said before, you have no experience with any of this sort of stuff, but this will be a really quick introduction. So this is Vim. Vim's like a text editor, so it's kind of like Word, but instead of being used to make like documents like a thesis or anything like that, this is meant to edit text. So in a lot of cases that'd be like code. So it's open right now, and we're just at Vimtutor, which is like a little built-in feature in Vim that allows you to basically get the idea of how it would work. We're gonna start off with lesson 0, so I'm just gonna move you down to here, and we can just read through this. As you can see down here, like Vim has like, uses like HJKNL. I kind of like explained this to you before, so you can go ahead and grab onto the keyboard if you want. Grab
start?
Yeah, you're gonna go ahead and start. We're just gonna go through each of the steps.
L was to go right. Well, I don't know where the cursor is.
The cursor's the red thing.
Not moving.
Good. What the heck?
It's not moving.
What the heck? Oh, it just doesn't have space. Okay. Sorry, so HJKNL moves you around like it says there, so just go ahead and try that out.
We're moving the the L key to the right because obviously L for right, H for left, J for down, K for up.
Yeah. Alright, now you can move on to the next one. So you can just go ahead and move down.
That would be J.
And then, I don't know if you saw the note, but it says if you're ever not sure what to press, press escape.
Be in normal mode.
Mm-hmm.
What's normal mode?
Normal mode's like what you're in right now. Normal mode. Normal.
What's not normal?
Insert mode.
Oh, right. The cursor keys should also work. What's a cursor key? So you can press
up and down. So like on the keyboard.
Oh, these?
Yeah.
Oh, well that's easier. Oh, never mind.
Mm-hmm.
Exiting. Well, don't need to know how to do that right now.
Wait, time up. Alright, we just turned on screen key, so you guys can go ahead and see what Saren's typing. Continue.
Okay, so now we're learning how to exit, but that's not really important right now. Is it?
No.
Oh, there's a lot of steps to exit. Okay, text editing. Press X to delete the... You didn't teach me this one. So, I need to go... delete the character under the cursor. Oh, so I could delete the O by pressing X?
Yeah.
And then if I wanted to insert it, I press insert and then I could put it back.
Yeah. And then if you don't know what to do...
It seems like a bit of a flaw that they make it so that you can delete their tutoring thing.
If you mess everything up, you can always type in tutor again, and then it'll take you to this all over again. Oh. So what do you do when you don't know what to do?
You press escape.
Yeah. So now there's your first test.
My test?
Yep.
What does it want me to do?
So
delete the extra letters?
Until the sentence is correct.
Oh, okay, so down, left, so I need to delete one of these C's, so I need to press X, and then I need to go. Good thing I know how to read.
Yeah, yeah, they did not count on people not knowing how to read for this.
Done.
And they have that nice little
and then I got a
check
check mark, okay.
Yeah, that's so nice that they have that.
Next, oops, down. Now that the line is correct, okay, as you go through this tutor, try not to memorize, learn by usage. Okay. Oh, insertion, I already know how to do this though.
Yeah, I may have primed her for this.
So the text is missing this.
Missing?
What? Oh.
I was like, oh.
Turns out I can't read. Left. Insert, add an S. What does it want me to do here?
I think it's the fact that there's, like, I think you're supposed to match the lines.
Oh! Okay, well, this is also no! Oh!
Because you're still an insert.
Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah.
Don't tell me. Escape.
Yeah.
Delete that.
Nice. Very smart.
Then I need to move over and then I can insert I.
Oh.
Why is it suggesting this?
I just have that built in. I should probably just disable it.
Escape.
Go ahead.
Okay. So now I need to.
There's some. Yeah. Look at you go. So proud.
Sing.
Proud nerd boyfriend.
From this, escape.
Nice.
But then, why don't you have the little delete button up here?
Oh, there's a delete button right there.
Oh. Oh yeah.
There you go.
Okay, I got my check mark. So
Good job.
now we're going to the next thing. When you're comfortable inserting text, move to the next level.
Very helpful.
Appending. Oh, this was okay. Move the cursor to the first line below the marked X. It does not matter. Press A and type the necessary additions as the text has been appended. I don't really know what appended means.
You don't know what the word means?
No.
Appended is just like adding to the end of something.
Okay, press A and type in the necessary additions. Press escape, move the cursor to the second line marked X, and repeat the steps to correct the sentence. Okay, so move the cursor to the first line below the marked X.
Yep, so
I
where
did
the X
that.
is?
Yeah, I am below the X. The line below the marked X.
Oh.
So I am. So then it wants me to press capital A.
Yeah. Except that I don't know why they're saying
Now we made an X.
I think they mean. Oh, maybe they mean here?
No. We'll do it live! Fuck it!
And we're just gonna go with it. So now Shift A, and that adds to the end of it back. You just held it for a bit too long.
I don't understand. Why am I doing this?
So A is like taking you into insert mode at the end of the line. So if we go back,
Oh, so I could have started like, ah!
here, let me just get you out of that.
Oh my god. Okay, so if I go back this way and then I press Shift A.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
There we go. Okay, and now I can go down to this one.
And do the same.
Oops. Why did it? I didn't do that.
Don't worry about that.
Why is it doing that?
It's just marking the
Oh.
space.
Okay, I'm done.
We probably shouldn't have used my configuration, I'm realizing.
Oops. Down. Okay, when you're comfortable. Okay, I did that. Editing a file. Read this entire lesson. I have to exit it?
Yeah, sure.
Well, I didn't learn how to exit it.
Well, you can try that now.
Well, now I'm gonna have to go back up to learn how to exit.
Oh, there it is. Exiting Vim.
Before executing, read this entire lesson. Okay. Press the escape key. Yes, I am. Type Q exclamation mark.
Well, colon.
Oh. Colon Q exclamation mark. Enter. Enter.
Yep.
Is that all you have to do?
Yep.
Oh.
And let's take you back in.
That seemed a bit. Okay, so.
And cool, we're back. So you can see how people get trapped in Vim and just, that's why it's like such a joke that like people can't get out of Vim.
Yeah.
It's a bit
Oh, well now it thinks I didn't do all these lessons.
Oh, don't worry about it. We can just go over them. Well, think of it as like Q is for quit, and then W for write, save and quit.
Exit this tutor as you did. At the shell prompt, type this command. Nvim. No, I don't know what this means. Oh, I'm moving up. Oh.
You're doing good, don't worry.
I don't want to do this part.
Okay, we can
Let's skip this part.
Skip the saving. Who cares?
Okay, now we're on
Quick
the
summary. Good job, you did lesson 1.
Okay, lesson 2. Is this still the summary?
Still summary.
Okay.
Alright, deletion command. DW. I showed you this one before, remember?
Yes. Okay, I'm in normal mode. Move the cursor Move the cursor to the beginning of a word that needs to be deleted. Okay. There are some words fun that don't belong paper in this sentence. Alrighty then. Okay, so we're gonna go so now we're gonna delete that word. There are some words. Oops.
Nice.
That don't belong. Okay, got a check mark.
Don't belong in this section. It's very smart.
Repeat steps 3 and 4 until the sentence is correct. Okay. Use $, D money, to delete the end of the line. Okay. Move the cursor to the end of the correct line. Use D money to delete the end of the line.
So, yep, right there. I think it wants you to go to the period. After the first period.
Up.
You're hitting H.
Oh. Up. No, up.
Yeah.
Okay, so it wants me to go here?
Yep, and then $. Nice. Good job.
Down. Many commands that change text are made from an operator and a motion. Format for a delete command with the delete operator.
This is what I was telling you about before, is that the operator in this case is D, and then the motion is the word. So delete word,
Oh, right.
and then delete $, is like delete till the end of the line. And then DE.
Oh, right, yeah, okay. Yeah. We learned that. Typing DE will delete from the cursor. Okay, yes. It didn't give me a practice.
Oh, I guess the next one might. Oh, this is counts.
Move the cursor to the start of the line marked check. Use 2W to merge. Oh, that's fun.
Yeah.
Use 3E to move the cursor to the end of the third. Type 0 and move to the start of the line. Okay, but we need to just move that sweet. So
if you want to just like center it too, you can just hit like easy, put it in center.
Oh, okay, so now it wants me to type 2W. Okay. Now it wants me to type 3E. Now it wants me to type 0.
Pretty simple.
And now I could do 6W.
So you understand, you get it now? So you do like a number before and it will repeat the same thing? Yeah.
Okay, I want it to be in the center.
Yep.
Okay, so move the cursor to the first uppercase word. So,
Have you ever used homing keys on a keyboard? You like put your hand on the keys, like these little bumps.
Oh, yeah.
So you can put your hand here, and then you know H is always to the left.
I'm gonna remember that. D2W.
So
D2W.
So delete 2 words.
Okay. Repeat the steps 1 and 2 with a different count. Okay, well that should be easy. So now there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna do D4W.
Yeah. Very clever. Nice. Another check mark.
Okay. Type DD to delete a whole line. Okay, move the cursor to the second line, type DD, then move to the fourth line, type 2DD. Okay, so we'll center that. So, what is going on?
What, the red?
Why is it highlighted like that?
It's just my settings, I'm sorry. I'll turn it off in a sec. We're on lesson 2.6. Sarena's getting nervous about my settings, so I decided to just go with the
I was not
defaults.
getting nervous.
Okay.
I was getting confused. Okay,
I was
so
getting nervous.
move the cursor to the second line. So it doesn't want me to be on this line.
DD. Simple. Deletes the line.
Okay, move to the fourth line.
This is the one marked with 4, I guess.
Yep, so now we want 2DD. Wow.
Deletes 2 lines.
Cool.
Very impressed.
Now, the undo command.
That's the one that you've always wanted.
Is it?
Weren't you telling me before that you didn't know that Control Z was undo?
Yeah,
So this will be like a lifesaver for you.
but I've tried to do it on my computer and it doesn't seem to work.
Control Z doesn't work.
Not for the things I
Okay.
Move the cursor to the line below marked X and place it on the first error. So that's going to be this. Now type U to undo the last command executed.
We'll type X to delete it first.
Oh, I missed a line. X, U. Now, this time fix all the errors in the line using the X command, so.
Yeah, I'll be heavily abusing the fast forward feature in my video editor.
Okay, now type a capital U to return the line to its original state. So U.
So it undoes everything in the line.
Okay, now type U a few times to undo the capital U. Okay. Why does it say press it a few times?
Well, if you kept hitting U, it would just like undo all the work that you did.
Oh gosh.
That's it.
Now type Control R a few times to redo the commands.
Yeah, so press Control R.
I know where Control.
So it redoes everything.
Okay.
So undo is U, Control R is redo.
Got it. Let's move on. These are very useful commands.
They are useful.
It's nice.
Are you serious?
I'm reading it.
It's a good thing they're telling you. It is a very useful
That's
command.
what I was saying.
I was like, oh, I'm happy that you feel that way.
Oh god.
They are the most useful commands. The fact that you didn't know what Control Z did in like Word
Well,
or
that
anything,
didn't teach me what Control Z does either.
You don't use Control Z in because like you don't. Well, it saves you the extra key press. You know.
Instead, you press Control R.
Well, that's to redo. But how often do you redo something that you wanted to undo?
I don't often undo things.
I don't know how you don't undo. A quick summary.
Oh, I'm too good for summaries.
Something that I feel like they didn't really actually explain was like the word and $ one. But like, did you get that fact that like when you do, so you remember that like when you go like
I don't
W,
remember any of it.
it like moves you a word. So instead of hitting
Yeah,
like
okay,
L,
I remember that. Oh, I
and
should
then
start doing
$ is to the end of the line without hitting insert. If you hit capital A, that's how you insert. So if that's you
right, no, I
remember
remember that.
Nice.
Okay.
Good job.
So type P to put previously deleted text after the cursor. Type, oh my god.
Type DD to delete the line.
Okay, so move the cursor to the first line. Yes, it is here.
And type DD.
No, it wants me to type P.
Move the cursor to the first.
Oh, okay. Well, I thought I was
You're a
supposed
quick
to do
reader.
that first. Okay,
Yeah.
so now it's just gonna delete the line.
Yep. DD.
Okay, move the cursor to C line above where the deleted line should go. What does it mean above? Like just wherever?
Sure.
P. Huh?
So P is like paste.
Is that what I deleted?
Yeah.
No, I
so
didn't
if you
read
do
what I deleted.
undo.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh, so now I'm supposed to put all the lines in the correct order. Okay, this is gonna be a challenge. Oh wait, there's only A. Only A is in the wrong spot. That's boring. So now we're gonna press DD. Don't tell me.
Sorry.
And then we're gonna go up to here. We're gonna press P.
Yes.
Yay.
I'm sure you can see how that would be useful.
Yeah.
Especially when you're like writing like a big essay.
Although I would just highlight it and click Control X, Control V. So that seems a little easier.
Well, it's easier, but it's not as fast.
Okay.
Think about it. Think about like if you, okay, you'll see more use in it later.
Okay, so.
RX to replace the character.
So type RX to replace the character. Okay, I get that.
I showed you that one earlier.
Yes, move the cursor so that it's on top of the first error. Okay, so, no, up a little bit.
Again.
Okay, so then we're gonna, don't tell me, R-E.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at ya.
Replace that with an N. Replace that with Y. That with P.
1 sec. Okay. Nice. And, oh,
Did I miss something?
Still wrong.
When this line was typed in, someone pressed some wrong keys.
Well, it looks fine to me. Let's continue.
Someone's gonna like notice it and comment and be like, why are you guys so
Yeah,
dumb?
okay. Feel free to let us know in the comments what we missed. Sure, we did miss something, but I literally can't see what it is.
Okay,
Anyways,
anyways.
continue. On to lesson 3.3.
Well, I'm just cruising.
Blazing through it.
To change the end of a word, type CE. Change the end. Move the cursor to the first line marked X. Place the cursor on the U in Lebois. Oh.
I'm sure those watching are just like, oh yeah, that was really helpful that you pointed at the screen there, Gavin. I totally know where he's pointing at. Okay.
Okay, now CE. Type CE and correct the word. So
Yeah.
and press escape. Okay, now it probably wants me to do that to all the other words. So do I put it on the W to change the end or here?
To there. So it's like changes from the cursor to the end.
Change the end. Okay, this word is just completely wrong.
Yeah.
Can't I just do DW? Oh, but
Well,
then I
that'd be
have to insert a new word.
It's an extra key, Saren. So inefficient.
We're all about it. I'm all about efficiency, clearly.
Those watching are just gonna be like, oh my god. An app.
I forget what to do now. Oh, CE. Escape.
Oh, you probably could have just kept typing.
Oh.
But anyways, it's gonna be when you don't know what to do. Yeah. I like that way of describing what to do. This line has a...
What's wrong now? It doesn't like me.
Let's see. Is it just...
Maybe when you changed your settings, you made it... No, but that one worked.
Yeah. You didn't say checks for everything.
Well...
Let's see what happens if we fix this one. Is it gonna work?
Yeah, okay. I think it's just screwed up.
I think it just wants us to... Okay, one sec. Let me fix all of these.
Oh my god, no. It doesn't matter.
What?
Because it's not worth it. We'll just get X's.
Okay.
Or your viewer's gonna be confused.
We'll settle for the X's.
Well, you can change it if you want.
A few minutes later.
All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and stop there for now. Saren's getting a bit overwhelmed. We'll probably give this a bit of a break. If you guys are interested, we'll do a part 2. Let me know what you guys think. If you're interested in seeing that second part, make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications and everything so you guys can see more Saren learning things that she doesn't want to, but I force her to, so that way you guys will watch my videos, because a cute girl always gets views. Anyways, guys, sure to come back next time. See you then.